Linear motion technology ensures a smooth and controlled operational experience, significantly enhancing user satisfaction in both consumer electronics and advanced automation systems. The seamless motion achieved through this technology not only results in a quieter operation, but also bolsters the overall performance and reliability of the system. This is particularly beneficial in applications where minimal noise is a crucial requirement. Devices such as state-of-the-art 3D printers, precise CNC machines, and efficient automated packaging systems heavily rely on linear motion to maintain consistency and achieve seamless operations, ultimately leading to high-quality end products. Customization and adaptability. The versatility of linear guide systems is evident in their availability for diverse industries. However, to fully optimize performance for specific applications, customization offers the best solution. A tailored linear motion system can be fine-tuned to meet the unique demands of each application, ensuring maximum efficiency and effectiveness. Linear motion components can be customized to meet precise requirements, empowering engineers to design bespoke solutions for unique operational needs. Customizable elements include materials, contamination protection mechanisms, specialized coatings, and lubrication systems. Many linear motion systems are at least partially customized to align with the exact specifications required for each distinct application. Through close collaboration with engineers and designers, a custom solution can be crafted to perfectly fit the specific needs and requirements of each project, further pushing the boundaries of innovation and performance.